Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, and today we're unlocking the secrets of startup millionaires. What sets them apart? How did they turn their ideas into massive success stories? In this video, I'll share the top strategies that startup millionaires use to build wealth, grow their businesses, and stay ahead of the competition. Let's jump right in. 1. Solve big problems. The first secret? Startup millionaires focus on solving big problems. Think about the most successful startups. Uber solved transportation issues, Airbnb disrupted the hospitality industry, and Canva made graphic design accessible to everyone. Here's how to identify a big problem. Look for inefficiencies in everyday life. Pay attention to what people complain about. Think about trends shaping the future, like sustainability or AI. When you solve a big problem, you create massive value, and where there's value, there's money. 2. Build a scalable business model. The second secret is scalability. Startup millionaires design businesses that can grow quickly without massive increases in cost. Here's what scalability looks like. Digital products. Platforms like Netflix or Spotify can add millions of users without major expenses. Automation. Use technology to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time and resources. Global reach. Think beyond local markets and design your business to operate internationally. If your business can scale, your earning potential is limitless. 3. Surround yourself with the right people. No one builds $1 million startup alone. Successful entrepreneurs surround themselves with the right team, mentors, and networks. Hire talent that complements your weaknesses. If you're a visionary, find someone who excels at execution. Learn from mentors. Reach out to experienced entrepreneurs for advice. They've already faced the challenges you're encountering. Build a network. Attend events, join online communities, and connect with people who can open doors for your startup. The right people can make or break your journey to success. 4. Take calculated risks. Startup millionaires aren't afraid to take risks, but they're calculated about it. Do your research. Before making big decisions, analyze the data and weigh the pros and cons. Start small. Test your ideas on a small scale before going all in. Learn from failure. Every mistake is a lesson. Use setbacks to refine your approach and come back stronger. Taking risks is essential for growth, but doing it strategically minimizes the downside. To recap, here are the 4 secrets of startup millionaires. 1. Solve big problems that create value. 2. Build a scalable business model. 3. Surround yourself with the right people. 4. Take calculated risks and learn from failure. These strategies aren't just for millionaires. They're for anyone who's serious about building a successful startup. Start applying them today, and who knows, you might just be the next big success story. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and share your favorite millionaire secret in the comments below. Let's grow together.